Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And this video features our beautiful peel and stick makeup wall decor on Etsy. You can find this wallpaper on Etsy. You can order it at wallpaperboulevard.com. This is the backing to a nice dining area. And I described on the longer video how exactly you go about installing this. If you're a homeowner and you don't have the money to pay an installer, if you just follow my simple 3-step video on peel and stick, you'll find this beautiful wall covering in your home too. This is Spencer Colgan on Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Visit us on the web at www.spencercolgan.com. Leave a comment in the section. We'll get to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper.